Welcome to Pramit's Toy World.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today my luck charmed so much yesterday that I'm going to tell you all about it. Yesterday I went shopping and I went to a shop and I found something amazing. Once again I got Kinder Joy Hot Wheels edition. Hooray! So let's unbox them. We have got 4. We have 5 but I'm buying 4 because I don't want to be greedy. So let's start. First thing, take a look at it. Because I might not find it later onwards. First thing. Ooh, feels kind of lucky to me. Give me luck, guys. Don't want any doubles. And if you want to see the old Hot Wheels video, just go back and just see them. Wow, amazing. I got a double. Okay, so we will not unbox that, okay, and make it. You can just watch it from the old videos. Second egg. Same car. Third egg. Same car. Fourth egg. Got 3 same cars. Hope this fourth egg gives me some chance. Let's start. Roger. Double. It's all fine. We can just make a new army. So let's make them. We have 4 cars and all 4 I know how to make. See, this one needs to be like this and this. Boop. Beep. Ready? So I will be making the stickers now. Okay? So let's start. These are the stickers. We will start first. Let's make the cars and then we will do the stickering. Okay guys, second car. First this starts, then this comes, then these two we get a joint, and then we attach this with this. Second car is fully formed. Easy, right guys? Third car, Roger. ये गाड़ी में दम तो लगता है. Means this car making is kind of hard because when you push these pieces, no, it's really hard to make. This side is ready. Ready car 3 and car 4. This is the least understandable car. What the heck is this car? One minute, guys. Technical difficulties to create this car. See guys, इसमें कितना दम लगता है, हमारा हाथ लाल हो जाता है. क्या करें? Now stickering of the first car. Window out. Satisfying. Car sides. Ooh. Shoot. Second side. Trash can. Sorry, camera lady, for making a bed dirty. Please forgive me. First car ready. Second car. This car done. Second car, I got this, right? It's brother. This car might take some time, guys, because this has a bundle of stickers. Okay? Here we go. Just to make it more fun for you guys. Second sticker down. Done. Third sticker. Fourth one. Creating. Fifth. And the last sticker. And bye bye, go to the trash bin. These sticker pieces. Cars 2 done. See the cars, guys. Amazing, right? Car 3. I'm scared of this one for sure. Okay. So this car is ready. This car is ready. Help. Give me luck, guys. Just pray to God so that everything goes well. Okay, first sticker. Down. Down, guys. First sticker down. Second sticky. Sticky sticker. Down. Third sticky sticker. I'm scared for this one. I am scared. But everything is possible, guys. We are good. We are good. We are good. We are actually good. Fourth one. This is way too easy. Okay, now the last sticker for car 3. Which is the Roger Dodger. Come on, Pramit. You can do this. There, we are done with the third car. Okay? So now with the fourth car, which I am super scared about. And this bit in the table. Here, like that. And this will go here. And this final car. Open. I need to see a photo reference this time. For this car, I don't know much. Oh guys, this is not kind of that hard. Last sticker. Amazing guys, we are so cool. We are so close to complete it. Hooray! Done guys, we are done with this car as well. Let's see them together. See guys? Amazing. 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 Hooray! Hooray! So this is the end of the video guys, and if you love this video, just subscribe